Hello everyone, this is Amirmohamad. Welcome to AR Engineering channel. In this SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to learn some basic features of the SolidWorks. As you can see in this photo, we are going to learn some commands like rip and boss base extrusion. I hope to enjoy this tutorial. So let's do this. I'm going to actually SolidWorks. Here choose new, go to part, OK. Let me just minimize this. This sketch, we're going to have new sketch, top plane. Now, we're going to draw two lines here. Select, choose smart dimension, here 1000, here 900 millimeter. All our dimensions are into millimeter, so choose OK. Exit from sketch and in features choose extruded boss base. So here direction is in blind, so change it into mid plane. It is because we are going to extrude in in both sides. So, and 300 millimeter extrusion. Say OK. Now we have our drawing here. Now we are going to make some ribs in both sides. So how we have to do this? It's really simple, don't worry about that. We're going to sketch, select a sketch, and in the surface we are going to choose this surface. So choose line and draw a line from top to bottom. Select. Now exit from sketch, go to feature and choose rip command. Now as you can see, there is a preview here, but the direction of the rip is upward, but we need to actually switch it into downward. So simply here choose flip material side, and also the direction we will choose left one. Select OK. Now as you can see, the rip command has been generated and we have a triangle rip here. Now for other side we are going to do the same scenario, but also we can actually use mirror entities, but I'm going to draw it. So again, sketch, choose this surface, choose line and draw a line from top to bottom. Select, exit from sketch and feature choose rip command. Also it's upward, but choose flip material to go to downward. We need downward. So again, the left one, select OK. Now as you can see, our rip command has been generated in both sides. So let's apply some colors. Go to appearance, choose blue one. I think this is a great color. Now select OK. So it was a simple exercise in SolidWorks. I hope you to enjoy. So also please subscribe to my channel for more exercises, and we have to actually learn other basic features in SolidWorks in next videos. So please subscribe my channel, and thank you. Bye for now.